Hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to transfer your crypto from Binance to another wallet. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, what you want to do is just go to the Binance website and then just log in your account. And then if you want to transfer your crypto to another account, what you want to do is go to this button right here and then just click on overview. And then from there, all you have to do is just click on withdraw right here, and then you could start off by selecting the crypto that you want to transfer. So let's say I'll be using Bitcoin, and then you'll have two options. So you can withdraw it to a different wallet address, or you can withdraw it to another Binance user. So let's say I want to withdraw it to a different address. So what you want to do is just enter your address over here and then just select the network. So you have to be careful in choosing your network, because if you choose the wrong network, there might be a chance that your crypto will not arrive to your wallet. And then once you're choosing all of that, all you have to do is just enter your withdraw amount and then you can withdraw. Moving on, if you want to withdraw it to another Binance user, what you want to do is just click on Binance user right here and then just input their email, their phone, Binance ID, and etc. And then once you're done inputting those details for the Binance user, just click on withdraw amount, just enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and then just click on send. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to move or transfer your crypto to another wallet.